Hello! Today I will show you how to disable your Hey Google option of Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A25. I'm sorry, Hey Google, please shut down. I'm not asking you. I'm sorry for that. First you will need to open the settings. To open the settings, go up. To open the main menu, go into settings by tapping it. Go down and look for the Google tab. It should be about halfway into the menu. Go to the very bottom and go into settings for Google Apps. Search Assistant and Voice at the very bottom once again. And Google Assistant. In Google Assistant, go into Hey Google and Voice Match. It will be at the very top. Here, you can simply tap the toggle next to Hey Google option. Tap it. Tap OK to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe to see more videos like this one.